In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a new channel in Microsoft Teams. If you want to organize conversations more clearly inside your Teams community, creating a channel is a simple and effective way to do it. Channels help keep topics separated, make discussions easier to follow, and give members a dedicated space for a specific subject, project, or announcement. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and go to the community section. This is the area where you can view and manage your community spaces. Once you're there, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct community, especially if you belong to more than one. That will help ensure the new channel is created in the right place. Next, look for the Add Channel option and click on it. This will open the setup window where you can begin creating your new channel. If you're using Teams in a browser, the layout may look slightly different depending on updates, but the option should still be easy to find within the community interface. After that, enter your channel name. Choose a name that clearly describes the purpose of the channel so other members can immediately understand what it's for. For example, you might use a name related to a team topic, ongoing project, or shared area of interest. Keeping the name short, specific, and easy to recognize will make navigation much smoother for everyone in the community. Once you've entered the channel name, click Add. Microsoft Teams will then create the new channel and place it inside your community. At that point, the channel is ready to use and you can begin posting messages or guiding members to use it for the right conversations. Managing the channel starts with choosing a clear purpose from the beginning. A well-named channel reduces confusion and helps prevent unrelated messages from ending up in the wrong place. If you're creating several channels, try to keep your naming style consistent so the whole community feels organized and easy to browse. And that's it. The process is quick. Go to Community, select Add Channel, enter the channel name, and click Add. With just a few clicks, you can create a more structured and manageable space in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.